In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do the Instagram task. When you first enter the Instagram task, you'll see that there's follow, unfollow, post, and page setup. These three tabs you cannot do unless you first set up a page. So in here it's going to say, in order to use this tab, you must first set up a page in the page setup tab. And same goes for the unfollow and the post. So if we head over to the page setup tab, first thing you'll see is some instructional text at the top which says select a category below which interests you the most by clicking on the green button with the category name. This will be the category that your Instagram page will represent forever. Make sure to choose the category that you actually enjoy and don't just choose a random category. That way this task will be more fun for you and you'll be able to engage with your followers a lot more and overall make more money. So if you just scroll through here, you'll see that there's different categories. So we've got men's watches, female fitness models, makeup, luxury lifestyle, women's watches, female models, fitness, women's fashion, luxury travel, male models, stay-at-home mums, men's fashion, male fitness models, and funny. Oh, and gaming as well. So choose the category that you are going to relate to the most. So I'm going to go ahead and choose gaming. Once you click on that, it's going to say, are you sure you want to select the gaming category? Be absolutely positive that this is the category you want to post, because you're going to be posting this kind of category for the life of this page. You can't change it. You'll never be able to change it. So if you're 100% sure, just click on OK, and then the next page will show you some of the rules. We highly recommend that you read all of the rules before proceeding, because if you break one of these rules, you're going to end up getting the entire tab disabled for yourself. Only one Instagram account per TimeBucks account. There's a high chance Instagram will ban your account if you set up multiple pages. We are working on a safe way to do this, so wait until we release this. This is very important. These rules that we set is not because we're trying to limit you, it's because we've studied the limitations that Instagram has applied, and we've set up all of our limits to comply with their standards. So if you break these rules, you're going to end up getting your Instagram account disabled. So it's very important that you follow these rules. Do not make your Instagram account private. We noticed that some people were going and registering accounts and then making them private. This won't work. We won't be able to scrape your account, which is what we need to do for the follow, unfollow, and post. So if you do this, you're going to stop making money. So don't do that. Do not buy followers. We scan your profile every hour to ensure that only the followers gained are natural. If we detect any fake followers, you will be banned from this task. Don't do it. You must only follow the people that we set in this task. If you follow other random people, when we go to unfollow, we're going to present people that you've never even followed in the first place, and you're not going to be able to verify it. You're not going to be able to get paid, and it's going to stuff up the entire system for your account. If you've reached your follow limit, manually unfollowing people will not reset your limit. We found that some people were trying to go and follow 10 people, then unfollow them, thinking that this would unlock the tab for them so they could just keep doing this forever. That doesn't work. If you try to do this, you'll notice that it does not work. And even if you do, it's going to stuff up the system and you're going to get stuck in a particular position. Then you're going to email support saying, it's not allowing me to follow these people, I don't know what happened. So this puts your entire account out of sync, so don't do that. Some frequently asked questions. No, you cannot use your own personal profile. The reason we've done this is so that you are building a particular niche or category. Your existing profile has your own friends and random people who are not interested in your category. This is important for advertisers targeting your profile, as they want to target different categories. They don't just want to target random people that have no interest in that particular category. So no, you can't use your own personal profile. Can you use your own existing personal email? If you've never registered an Instagram account before with that email, you can use it. However, we strongly suggest you create a new one, because we're going to be storing your email and password. So we'd rather not save your personal password for your personal Gmail or Outlook account. So it's better if you create a new one. Can I follow anyone I want or more than the follow tab allows me? No. First of all, you won't be credited for any additional people that you follow because our system scans your page constantly. Second, you'll be destroying your page because you'll be following random people that have unknown interests, so they may not follow you back. Plus, this stuffs up the whole system for where advertisers are targeting your page. We present usernames to you that are already interested in the category. So if you choose gaming, we're going to present users to you for you to follow who are already interested in gaming. So don't do this, it's going to stuff up your entire account. What if I just unfollow people to allow me to refollow more people? This won't work. Again, our system has a daily and hourly limit which is stored in our database, so just don't do this, it's not going to work. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is register an email account. So just go to Gmail or Outlook and set your personal email as your recovery email. That way, if you ever forget your password to this account, you can just use the emergency recovery method, and it should send the email. It should send the password to your personal email. Once you've done this, copy and paste the full email address, like myemail@gmail.com, whatever you just registered, and then copy and paste the password that you just registered, like my password. Don't use this password, I'm just using an example. Make sure to use a password that you've never used before, just to make it extra secure. So once you've done that, you need to register an Instagram account. So go to instagram.com and create a new account with the exact same email and password that you just registered in step 1. You can enter your full name or anything you would like under the name field. We suggest using your real name as this will attract more users to your profile. However, if you don't want to do that because you think your friends might get confused and start following you, that's fine. You can just put a name that has something to do with your category. Choose any username that isn't already taken on Instagram, ideally something that combines your name and category together. Otherwise, you can just click on the circle icon next to the username field and Instagram will generate one for you. Make sure it's not just like blah blah blah. Make sure it's got something to do with your actual category or something to do with your name. Do not use the word TimeBucks anywhere on your page. Don't enter, if you've got the gaming category, don't enter gaming TimeBucks, or if your name's John Smith, don't enter John Smith TimeBucks. Don't have anything to do with TimeBucks. This will get everything disabled for you. Do not do that. Once you've done this, enter your Instagram username in the field below that you've just created. So the username is the URL. So if the URL is instagram.com/myname, you would put my name as the username. The next step is to add a profile picture. So once you're in Instagram, go to the edit profile page on Instagram, or you could just click on the blank profile picture and it'll ask you to upload a photo. Upload any photo you'd like. Now, we suggest uploading a photo of yourself or your face that will attract more people to click on your profile. People are more likely to follow you if it's your actual face in the profile picture. If you don't want to use your personal photo, we suggest using a photo that is related to your category. So if you chose gaming, you'd have a photo of something to do with games that's going to attract people. Remember, it's all about attracting people to follow your account. Step 4 is to edit your bio. Once you're in the edit profile page on Instagram, make sure both the website and bio fields are blank. Do not insert anything into these fields. Next, enter your mobile number in the phone number field. This is because at some stage throughout this task you may get asked by Instagram to verify your phone number. They're going to send an SMS code to your mobile number, so you need to make sure it's a real phone number. Don't enter a fake one, otherwise this is going to get your account locked and Instagram may possibly disable your account. The next thing is to enter your gender in the gender drop down and then just click the blue submit button to save your changes. The final step is to add 9 photos to your account, because when you create a new account you're not going to have any photos in there. So add these 9 photos without any captions or descriptions. That's very important. Make sure you just upload the photos and nothing else with that. Make sure you're actually adding photos and not creating a story, but some users got confused over creating a story. Then they would say, I uploaded all my photos and they're not appearing. This is because you uploaded them as a story. You need to upload them as actual photos using the plus icon on the bottom of the screen. If you're using a mobile device, you'll need to save each of these images to your phone, and then you can upload them using the Instagram app. Otherwise, if you don't know how to upload photos from a desktop PC, just go to YouTube and type in, for example, if you're using Firefox, upload photo Instagram from PC Firefox. So if you're on desktop, I would just right click on this and go save link as to my computer, or you could just click on them and just right click and save, and just right click on this image and go save image as. I'm using Chrome, and you need to upload all 9 of these images. Once you've done all of the steps and you've uploaded your 9 images, just click verify page setup. We will then scan your profile to make sure you've done all 5 of these steps correctly, and if you've done it correctly, you'll get a success message. Then you can proceed to the follow tab. In the next tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the follow tab. So if you're watching this on YouTube, just click the first link in the description to go to part 2 of the Instagram series.